I-prank natin yung sister-in-law. Nag-text siya sa akin, guys. Sabi pa niya, kung pupunta ba ako dito.
Because what the hell? Then we'll be stuck with them. And now I don't want to clean out another house, Maryann.
Look at my crazy sister-in-law, guys. Look.
Good morning, Philippines!
No, I don't care. I always need your wire. Everything. Thank God I bring my camera battery. I bring 2 batteries. So good morning. So we are in the car. I'm not in the kitchen. Huh? Anyway guys, good morning. It's already 8:50 ng umaga. Maaga kami guys. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog sa bahay, sa kitchen. Dahil
This is our new kitchen. We're now homeless.
this is our kitchen na. Homeless na kami guys. No, nagjo-joke lang si Tami. Anyway, so busy kami kasi this morning kami nagkumain, naglilinis kasi ang plano ando na kami maaga, like we should be there 9, but I guess we get there 10, before 10, and Andrea said she's gonna be there 10 January 9 na guys. So happy Saturday, January 9 2021. So ang plano is dalhin yung freezer. Hopefully na kami lang talaga maghakot guys. Ang bigat naman ng freezer guys. Ang bigat ng freezer. So yun, anyway. Okay, somebody said, okay, I always vlog in my kitchen. I'm a daily vlogger and I always start my day in the kitchen. So where should I vlog? In the bathroom. And I should vlog in the bathroom in the beginning of my intro. Yeah, I'm a daily vlogger. I'm always in the kitchen, and that's where I always do something in the kitchen. Or I will bring you somewhere if I go somewhere. Pero yeah, kitchen is the thing. I vlog in the house. So yun. Next time I will start vlogging outside even it's snowing. Ay, nakakatuwa. So anyway guys, we're talking about he never learned how to speak Bisaya or Tagalog. So now I have to look for an app and teach him. Because for 13 years he doesn't want to learn. All he knows is baklang-klang.
What about old dogs and new tricks?
Oh my God. What I offer you, my life, lifting my praise to you. Hi guys, malapit na kami sa bahay. Nakikinig lang kami ng Christian song, and malapit na kami. Sammy is going to hunt another house. 93, right?
Yeah.
Hala, it's far from here.
No, this is 98.
Kasi guys, maghanap si Tami ng bahay na 93. Kasi yung mailman, dinalala dito yung package ng bahay na yun. Dito niya dinadrop. Kaya yaon, si Tami na yung maghanap. Pag makarating dito yung kapatid ni Tami na babae, maghalungkat tayo doon. Yan, magtataka yan. Gusto niyang makita anong ginagawa ko. Takot yan magtapon ako ng basura. Magtapon tayo ng basura. Nakakamatay ba ya itong matagal na ng mga pagkain? I-prank natin yung sister-in-law. Nag-text siya sa akin, guys. Sabi pa niya, kung pupunta ba ako dito. Sabi ko, nope. Tommy already left without me. Nope, Tommy already left without me. I'm leaving to Florida. I'm leaving to... What did she text?
Okay. Well, if you say that, then she's definitely gonna just go with her.
Okay, prank natin. I don't know why she texted me. It's just stupid. She know that we're going. We planned it already. Something wrong with her. Hay, paminsan talaga itong kapatid ni Tommy. Nakaloka. Always behind. I don't have a freaking Wi-Fi. She said, what the hell? We are fighting and filing a divorce. Ayan na din. Ay, naku. Paglaruan natin. Let's see when she get here, honey. We're gonna prank her, honey. When she get here, honey, I'm gonna put the camera. And then you said...
Because you think people are stupid. You overplay your hand and then people know.
What, is that overplayed?
Yes.
Andre is... Honey, she's different, honey. She is not like Isabel. She's not like so. She's kind of in the behind everything. Let's see, honey. Let's see what she will say. Anyway, pinaglaruan ko yung kapatid ni Tommy. Sabi pa niya, get out. Sabi ko, I'm out. Let's see kung pagdating nila dito. I have to clear up this place, guys. This space. And I guess I will put you... I never really see goodbye. This is going to Tommy's car. And I will put this in your car. She's calling me. I'm not going to answer. She's calling me. Look. Not gonna answer. Tumawag siya.
Taoism, crushing Tibet. 1960s?
Matagal pa man sila, guys. Napapagod ako naghintay. So sabi ko kay Tommy, I told him to stay down there, but you cannot carry it alone.
I moved the air conditioner and stuff. I'm fine.
No.
Huh?
No. You don't listen. You want sick? You want to be hospitalized because of your craziness?
Go watch them or you're going to screw your whole joke up.
Because you should be downstairs because the camera is there.
Go down.
Can you down?
I'll go down in a minute.
No, you're not.
I'm just making a space.
Apparently, you can't maintain your dreams.
Yeah.
Hello, son.
What's up?
Ange ordered and doubled the order.
Somebody probably put it through the web wrong.
I didn't put it through the web.
Whatever.
Microwave working? Yes.
What you doing?
Welcome.
That much, huh?
Yes.
Ooh, draws. So is that gonna be your office down there? Oh, well, that's what you guys originally said, right?
Yeah.
You could turn the you could turn that bed into a like a couch.
Yeah, that works out.
Began blaming themselves for Clinton's loss, arguing that big tech was too complacent and should have done more with their thumb on the electoral scale.
So hear from Isabel?
Shortly after election day in 2016,
I mean, not that it
those top
matters.
executives called a company meeting to express dismay at Trump's election and compare Trump's to fascists. Democrats, especially Hillary Clinton and her campaign, alleged that Facebook was a
Oh God.
platform in this election that should not have happened.
We parked in the street so that
Tech knows it too. Every decision the big tech companies have made in the last 4 years have helped socialist Democrats and harmed conservatives. And nobody on the left understands this reality better than President Obama himself. His interview with his personal stenographer, Jeffrey Cohen of The Atlantic.
Here?
I have a camera here. I thought you were going to.
Because what the hell? Then we'll be stuck with them, and then I don't want to clean out another house, Maryann.
Guys, he ruined my prank.
No, I didn't. I'm making it great. You can't leave because we're counting on your young body to be alive when we're all gone to empty your house.
She really did believe, guys. She tell her husband, "Don't tell Tommy."
Yeah, that's right. Well, what if it was true? Then we'd start a war between the two of you. You should thank me.
Why?
Bitch.
Why? Why should I thank you?
Because I wouldn't want to put you in a worse position.
So if I leave, are you gonna be stay in your house without telling? Yung bahay, guys. Kinuha na yung ano. Ay, pultahan.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling out, yeah.
Look at my crazy sister. Look, guys. Look.
Don't lift, it'll slide on the thing. Now you gotta pull the rug. Wait. A little more.
Wait a minute, because you're caught.
A little more, right there, perfect. Now pull.
Do you need more blanket to cover? Do you want, Andrea? Do you want blanket to cover it?
Drop a blanket in
You know, the mirror could fit in between.
Here.
Put the mirror in.
There's more.
There, look at it.
Hi guys. So look, tignan nyo, my sister-in-law have this. This is for Revlon made this for maliit siya, look. It's really small. This is for pubic hair, right, Han?
Depends how long is your pubic hair. That's frightening.
This is very long now. Okay, aalis na kami soon. Puno na yung mga sasakyan. Hold, pakita ko sa inyo.
Do you have any other table or something you want to put in there, or should we just put Isabel's trains?
No more table.
No, Maryann said she's done.
No more table. What did you say? There's no more table here anyway. There's no more table here, Andrea. Where are you? Wala ang kigwa. Where are you? I'm looking.
I think, I would like to get down and work someday.
Okay, you tell me when. An old one.
Yeah, it might be, you know, but whatever. Is it
Oh,
still
it's the
garbage
dishwashing machine.
day? Is it a dishwasher?
Dishwasher. Okay, let me talk to them.
It's not a big deal. I gotta come back during the week, so I'm sure anyway. So
Okay, well, then we'll just leave in the house.
leave him in the house. You already put one.
Right on the stairs.
Yeah, my garbage. Just picking up my garbage, guys.
Yeah.
For 13 years living here, it's like...
Damn slob. What the hell were you thinking?
Where are you coming back here anyway?
When?
Yeah.
I don't know. God, I'd like to just stay down here, but it's such a bitch. Like, and you know, you gotta work out that key thing.
The back of our car too, guys. It's freaking full. My sister-in-law's car is full, and it's all full. The nice chocolatey. Well, that's good. That's really good. Did already in the car? Probably already.
I don't want one on the house.
Those are really, really good.
We really don't need those in the car.
They're really good.
Well, just in case, Ray
Maybe she
wants
put 'em in
Ray
the back.
some of it.
I'm just
They all
telling
go in the back.
you. I'm just saying.
I'll put it going in my hand.
Every once in a while I have one, but they're like 9
Why
months
don't
old.
you leave one of you for yourself?
No.
But you can't find them anywhere.
Yeah. Of course I could. I just did.
Well, now you did, but
Well, we're all going the same direction.
Yeah, yeah,
84 to 684. Hutch to
Nice job, guys.
Oh my
Don't you
God.
have boxes and bags? Wait, don't you have clothes and shit you want in there?
No, I just put the thing in my car. That's it. Enough. Look at that bitch.
Hey, you know what? It's been a long damn time.
How many years?
You know, you.
Bye. She's looking at the back of Isabel's car. She said, "Oh my God, there's
more
still
stuff here, yeah.
there's still more space here. You grab some boxes." She said, "Nope, that's it, done." My sister-in-law is a riot. She's always like that. The other one. Oh, be careful. You have to kind of wiggle a little bit.
I know.
Okay. You drive because you know they follow you, and you know me driving crazy. No, I eat. I full. Alis na kami, guys. So, umalis na si ano. Okay. Okay, let's go. Itong tatlong sasakyan puno. May something sa ulo ko ba? Okay, guys. Nagutom taon na itong asawa ko, guys. Oh, hindi yan kumain ng breakfast. I feel bad he's hungry. I'm sorry, love. Nagutom. Buti na lang my sister-in-law bring something. Hala, that dog, honey, is like a rug. That's cute.
I mean, I don't want to say that's probably later than the other thing, but did it need help getting it there?
I'm just gonna open the side door, that's it.
Alright, you know what? I'll go off this way and.
Okay. Dito na sila. I need to open this door. Hold on, ha. You think that will fit here?
Yeah. So you know what he's gonna do? You want that on this side, right?
Wait,
These things here, with the outlet in it, is $10. Lights don't quote amperage. And you can put it any way you want. Where are you gonna put that picture?
Over there.
Tell me what to do.
Yeah, I just want you to
So you, all right. So if you put it, no. When you said it done, where do you want it?
Over there.
Right on that wall,
Yeah.
or on that wall.
No, that one. Yeah.
This wall.
Huh?
You can't let me cut her. She even stretches her neck.
She doesn't scratch you?
No.
She usually scratch, right? Hi, Bob.
She just needs love.
Hi, Bob. Bob.
We like you. But if you hide, we can't find you.
Huh? I think already 6. I think 6 years old.
Is that what they are? That's all?
Yeah.
What about Dimples? Dimples has to be older, right?
Yeah, older. I think she's 6 and then Hubs is kind of, I think 5. I don't know. They're like very close.
That's very young.
Hi guys! Hello! Kakaalis lang ni sister-in-law at naning brother-in-law. Kakaalis lang nila. And ngayon, maghugas tayo ng baso. Baso. Napagod guys. Ay, grabe. Yung mga kaganapan. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya sa taas. Nandun nilagay yung mga furniture na dinala. And then yung freezer andun sa basement. Sabi? Ayun. Ang kamay ko, nagka-crack-crack. Oh, nagdugo-dugo. Nag-bleeding na kasi sobrang dry. Kaya nag-bleed-bleed. So, So, yun. Nag-order lang kami ng pang-dinner namin. Kasi sabi ko kay Tami, pakainin naman natin sila. Hindi kasi nagla-lunch. Walang kinain doon nag-lunch kanina. So, sabi ko, pakainin natin sila. Mag-order na lang tayo. And then, yung kapatid ni Tami na bunso, nung may-ari ng truck, umalis sila kasi bubalik pa sila doon sa malayo. Doon sa, malapit sa bahay ni Bianan. Kaya, hindi na sila nag-ano, guys. Hindi na sila nag-stay. Hindi na sila kumain ng order namin. Hindi na sila nagpa-order kasi sabi pa, ano pa sila? And you have to think how you can connect the freezer downstairs. Kasi meron kaming food. Andun sa labas. The food is outside. So, ayaw kong mag-enjoy yung mga hinayupak na hayop. Ang dami kasing, di ba, dito tayo sa upstate. So, ang daming mga wild animals. And then, kapag pabayaan namin yun, mga 4 na bag, andun sa back porch. Kasi sobrang ginaw sa labas, so hindi yan ma-defrost. Sobrang ginaw, grabe. Saka alis lang nila. Katatapos lang din namin kumain, nag-usap-usap, ganun, plano kung kailan kami babalik doon. And this one, dinala ko tong mga furniture, ano ko to? I'm going to paint this white like the other one there. And ito, hindi ko na, I don't know if I'm going to paint white. Let's see. Let's see kung mapipaint ko ba to siya. Pero, andito na yung, sa office ni Tami. Yung, yung desk. Itong desk is, ito siya, guys. Hi, Bug! How are you, little boy? Andito yung desk. So, ito na yung desk ni Tami, guys. Hindi siya pwedeng mapipaint kasi, iwan ko, hindi siya pwede. Before natin i-in pala itong vlog, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung mga drawers. So, dito ko ilagay yung bed. Dito siya, guys. Look, andito na siya. Ang daming dito. Ito yung furniture ni sister-in-law na hindi na niya gamitin. Sabi ko, dalhin natin na lang sa isang bahay para. So, ito yung gagawin ko bukas. I-vacuum natin to dito. Linisin, i-arrange. Ganun. The nosy boy. The nosy boy. The nosy boy. He said, where's my bed? Look at him. Look at him. Hello. Hi. Hello. 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 Aduh, pinangga. Pinangga kayo ni mama. So, anyway guys. So, yun yung mga hinakot. At saka freezer. Yun. Mabigat yun guys. Yung mga ganyan. Mga ganitong mga sobrang bigat. So, buti nilang nakayanan nila. Meron na tayong furniture dito, look. So happy. Let's go downstairs, Babag. Hubs, come down. Come here. Bye. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you enjoy the craziness. Marami tayong mga cellphone gamit natin. But anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you.
Hi guys. Thanks for watching.
Thank you guys. Lang siya, pahinga muna bago magpunta sa basement. Anyway, good night. Thank you. Bye.